Hi, this is Stani from Booredatwork.com, and today I'll be doing a review of Gefen's USB DVI HD Adapter. So basically what this device does is if you have a laptop or a computer that doesn't have a DVI plug head, you can actually use this to connect to a monitor or TV or any HD capable device. So let's go ahead and open up the packaging and check this out. I mean, all you really need is a USB 2.0 connector, and so what we have in the packaging, we do have the instruction manual, instruction guide. Shows you can actually connect multiple devices just to one. And also installation CD, as well as, now if I flip this over, actually we do have some different plug heads, which is actually pretty cool. There's a HDMI adapter head, and there's also a VG adapter head, which you can use to DVI. So this is really interesting. And also you're supplied with USB cable, so it actually uses a micro USB to USB. So this USB goes to your computer. The micro USB connects to the back of the Gefen device, which is very simple looking. Has a micro USB port on one side, and the other side has a DVI adapter part, which will connect to your device. So that is pretty much it. But in the case of you connecting this to your TV or other devices, you can simply use one of the adapter heads, which I'm just going to open up here. So in the case of this review, we'll be using this connector, which would be the DVI, and we're going to be testing out with our Samsung TV over there. So we definitely will check that out and see how it goes. So I'm going to go ahead and connect my Gefen USB DVI HD adapter to my TV. Again, this device helps you connect to your laptop or your computer to a monitor or TV that's DVI capable or HDMI capable. Now, in this fashion, I'm going to connect to my my TV over there with the HDMI adapter. So I'm going to use the adapter head plug, which I'm going to connect to this end, which is basically DVI, and then I'll connect my HDMI port there. And of course, at the back end of the Gefen device, I'm going to connect the USB. Sorry, doing it upside down can be difficult. And I'm going to connect the USB cord, of course, to the laptop you see over there. Do that connection quickly, and hopefully we'll have it up for you on screen. I'm going ahead and connect this device. I'm going to change the source to the HDMI source on the TV, which should come up, and voila. Now, I went ahead and installed the software already, but you can see that is my desktop extended, and it's a very simple process. You install the software and you connect the device as I just did, and that's it. Done. Your desktop is connected. Now, of course, this doesn't produce audio, but this allows you to project your laptop or your computer to a monitor or larger screen, which is very great if you're you know, traveling, or you need to do a presentation or something like that. But again, it works very well. I'm actually going to move my browser across. See, it's
Hi, this is Stani from Booredatwork.com.
that is it extended.
Today we'll be doing a review of the.
Now, of course, the sound comes from the laptop itself, but you can see excuse me, you can see very clearly that it does work. It's very simple. Like I said, it's a plug-and-play device, literally. Windows does recognize the drivers and software, but use the installation CD to install into your computer or laptop, and just connect it via, make the connections, and you're good to go. It's very simple, very easy to use. Works seamlessly well. There's no slow time or downtime. Things look crisp and clear. Video quality it's very steady and clear. You can see there it's very clear. So there you have it. That is the That is the Gefen USB to DVI HD adapter out. If you guys have any questions, any comments, let us know. Again, I said it's a very solid device. It's very simple to use, which is very key, especially with things like this where it might seem a little complicated, but again, you know, follow the instructions, you install the CD, set it up on your computer, and just connect it with connections you desire to your monitor or big screen TV in this case, and you are good to go. So yeah, this is Thunder E. Like I said again, if you have any questions, any comments, let us know. Don't forget to subscribe to our pages on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and also hit us up on Google Buzz. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and thank you, and always enjoy entertainment.